The measurements are consistent with advanced erosion. Log that. See the stress points on the wing?
The readings are off. Did you see that light?
All right, bring them in slow. Watch the edge. We're clear. Drop in the ramp now.
We'll reinforce the wing here, then move to the eye structure. Keep safety first.
Understood.
What about the cracks near the base?
The structure is completely compromised.
What is that light down there, past the rubble?
Keep pushing. Got it. Watch your back here. Heavy piece coming through. All right, team, focus on the wing structure. The integrity looks sound, but we need to secure the West Talon foundation.
Got it. On it, boss.
Let's move with precision and care. All right, slowly now. Watch the alignment.
Got it. It's almost there.
Perfect, set it in.
Secure the perimeter first.
Copy that. Moving the slate.
Needs more mortar here.
Hold it steady. Almost there. Push it in. It's in. Perfect. Good job. All right, easy now.
Up a bit.
Up a bit. Looks perfect. Let's get that glass.
The storm's coming. We need to secure this section before it hits.
Grab those slates. Move quickly.
Watch your harness, mate.
Keep it steady. Up, up, just a little more. Mind the hinge.
Perfect.
Looks perfect. Secure it now. The mortar is holding well. It's solid. Good. Check the wing joint next. All right, lowering it down now. Easy, easy, watch that edge. Perfect. Perfect. It's in. Keep your lights up. Stay together. Look at this place. Incredible. Watch your step. There's loose stone.
Keep your eyes peeled. I don't like the feel of this place.
Got it. Watch your step. There's debris everywhere. Keep your headlamps on. Okay, okay. Look at this place. Watch your step. Wow, this is bigger than I thought.
Line up that edge perfectly. Needs to be flush. Getting more over here.
Keep it steady. Bring the sheets over. Almost done here. Watch your footing. Needs a bit more gold leaf on this arch. Keep it steady. Up a little on the left.
Good. Now just lower it slowly.
Almost there. Perfect. Secure it. All right, flip the first one. Okay, got it, it's on. Good, now for the next one down. Flip the next one. There we go, keep them coming. Perfect, the light is spreading down the hall. All right, flip the first one. Okay, got it, it's on. Good, now for the next one down. Flip the next one. There we go, keep them coming. Perfect, the light is spreading down the hall. Keep it smooth. Almost done with this section. Nice work, team. Line this one up perfectly, sir. Yes, keep it tight against the curve.
Keep the light steady on this Griffin here. Checking the application on the tail. That's it, the colors are really coming through now.
Keep it steady. Down a little. Left, left, stop. Perfect, it's in. Lower it slowly now. Steady, steady. Lights on. Keep it steady. To the left. Just a little more. Watch the crystal. Perfect. Place it right there. All right, next bank. Looking good, mate. Powering the chandeliers now. Line up these tiles perfectly, don't rush. We're running low on the white marble. I'll get more from the cart. Line up these tiles perfectly, don't rush. We're running low on the white marble. I'll get more from the cart. All right, slowly now. Just a little more to the left.
Perfect. Locked in.
Incredible. Keep it steady there. Slowly. A little to the left. Okay, power on. Beautiful.
I must tell you about my recent journey through the mountains. Absolutely, do tell. It sounds fascinating. Indeed, the views were remarkable.